Student, today my topic, the fourth topic in the test and measurement of cardiovascular fitness. Cardiovascular fitness, the two tests, Harvard step test and Rockboss test. What is what is a cardiovascular fitness? Cardiovascular fitness. Before proceeding to various tests of cardiovascular fitness, it will be essential for us to understand the meaning of cardiovascular fitness. In fact, cardiovascular fitness is the ability of the heart and lungs to supply oxygen, rich blood to the working muscle tissue and the ability of muscles to use that oxygen to process energy for movements. Okay, this is cardiovascular fitness. In the cardiovascular fitness, this type of fitness is required to sustain physical activity, or can be said that cardiovascular is essential for us to perform aerobic activities. There are following tests to measure the cardiovascular fitness. Number one fitness test. Number one, Harvard step test. What is the Harvard step test? Harvard step test is a cardiovascular fitness test. It also called aerobic fitness test. It was developed by Brosia and other in 1943. It was developed by Broya and other in 1943. It is used to measure the cardiovascular or aerobic fitness by checking the recovery rate. What is the purpose of Harvard step test? Purpose: the measure the cardiovascular fitness of individuals. Okay, this is a purpose. Equipments. What is the required equipment in the Harvard step test? A gym bench, the box of 20 inches high for men and 60 inches for women, a stopwatch and Candace tape is the required equipment of Harvard test. Processing. What is the processing of the Harvard step test? First, the athlete stand in the front of the bench or box. On the command first, go. Yeah. Athlete, on your mark, set and go. The athlete step up and down on the bench. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 on the box at the rate of 30 seconds per minute. One second up and second down. For 5 minutes and 150 step on the box, the bench, the gym bench. 1, 2, 1, 2, 150 step on the ground, on the bench in 1 second. Up 1 second, down and up in a 5 second in 150 steps. Stopwatch is switched on stimulatively at the start of the stepping. After that, the athlete sit down immediately. After completion of the test, after completion of the test, after 5 minutes, the total number of heartbeat are counted between 1 to 1.5 minutes after completion of the last step. Okay. The heartbeat are counted for 30 second period. Again, the heartbeat are noted for 30 seconds after the finishing of the test. After that, for the third time, the heartbeat are noted after 3 seconds of completion of the test of 30 seconds period. The same foot must start the step of each time, and erect positions must be assumed and the bench. Assume on the bench. Calculation of the score, the Harvard step test. The athlete's fitness index score is calculated with the help of following formula. Formula is a fitness index score equal to duration of exercise in second upon 2 into sum of heartbeat in recovery period into 100. Okay? This is a formula. Calculate the scoring of Harvard step test for fitness. Example. For example, if the total test duration was 300 seconds, and the number of heartbeat with 1 to 1.5 minutes was 90. Between 2 to 2.5 minutes of 80, and between 3 to 3.5 minutes was 70, then the fitness index score will be. This example 165 page in the Saraswati book. First formula, equal to 100 into test duration in seconds into upon 2 into sum of heartbeat in recovery period. Formula is 100 into test duration in seconds. So test duration in second. What is test duration in second? 300 seconds. Upon 100 into 300 seconds upon 2 into sum of heartbeat in recovery period. What is the recovery period? Pulse 1 90, pulse 2 80, pulse 3 70. So 2 into 90 plus 80 plus 70 equal to 240. So 100 into 300 upon 2 into 90 plus 80 plus 70 equal to 30,000 upon 2 into 240 equal to 62.5 score. This question, in this question, this answer, this example is a 62.5. Okay? This is a hardware step test. What is the advantage of hardware step test? Advantage. Minimum equipment are required for conducting this test. Number 2, it's required minimum cost. Number 3, it is simple to set up and conduct. There are advantages and there are some disadvantage. What is the disadvantage? There are difference in the biomechanical characteristics among individuals, but the height of the box or benches remain same for tall individual and shorted individuals. It will be easy for tall individual and different for short individuals. The same difference can be seen in case of body weight. Those individuals who are overweight, it will be difficult for them. So it is not implemented equally to all individuals. Okay? This is in the book 165 pages. So there are some index scores, and solve your questions and put up put on the answer in this table and check first fitness index scores rating male and female about 90.0 and 56.0 between the your answer, so excellent, and 80 minus 90 male and female 76 minus 85.9 good, above average. This is a fitness test index. So learn and write down your copy, this index box, and put the answer in this index box and check your whole body fitness. Yeah, excellent, good, average, below average, and poor body fitness. So this is the index. This index is the hardware step test. The second test is rock post walking test. What is the rock post test? This test related for the cardiovascular fitness test, the same hardware step test and rock post test, but different the physical activity and measurement. What is the rock post? Rock post 1 meal test is the also known as the rock post fitness walking test. This test is suitable for sedentary individuals. The objective of the test is the check or observe the development of the individual's VO2 max, maximum volume of oxygen. These are definitions and meaning, and the purpose next. What is the purpose of the rock post 1 meal test? The measure the cardiovascular ability of the individuals. What is the equipment? Equipment is the number 1, 400 meter and 200 meter running track. Number 2, stopwatch. Number 3, an assistance helper. And number 4, weighing scales, weighing machine scales. Okay, student? Procedures. What is the procedure of the rock post 1 meal test? First, while conducting or administrating the test, it should be a windless day. First of all, take the body weight of the individual on a perfect weighing machine. The weight should be taken with minimum cloth on the body of the individual, then mark the starting point on a 400 meter track. 1 meal, like that, the 1609 meters in the one meal. The individual has to run the distance of 1 meal is the 1609 meter in minimum time. So record the time of 1 meal with a stopwatch. Immediately after finishing the 1 meal walk, run, record the heart rate, beats per minute with monitor method. the monitor of ECG, EEF, EEG can be used to get a more accurate heartbeat. Okay. Calculation of VO2 max. VO2 max means maximum volume of oxygen. The calculation of VO2 max can be determined with the help of the following formula. What is the formula? Formula in this here book 132.853 minus 0.0769 into body weight minus 0.3877 into age plus 6135 into gender minus 3.2649 into time and minus 0.1565 into heartbeat. This is a calculation of the formula of VO2 max. Where body weight is in pound, number 1. Gender, male is a number is 1, for female 0. Time is minute and 100 of the minutes. Heartbeat rate is in beat per minute. Number 5 is in year. Okay. This is very important for the exam. So write down your copy and do the question solution in your copy and related these questions. And after calculating the VO2 max, the comparison of the individuals can be done with the result of previous test. It is expected that with appropriate training between each test, the analysis would surely indicate the improvement of the individuals. Advantage. What is the advantage of this test? Number 1, minimum equipment are required. Number 2, it is simple to set up and conduct. Number 3, it can be conducted by the athlete. Number 4, this test can be conducted or more than one individual at the time. And disadvantage, specific facilities are required for this test. Okay, so my topic is completed and some questions are related this topic, like that the exam explain the Rock-Posh 1 meal test and explain in the brief of Harvard test. You do the explain like that my theory and take the help in your book. So number next, elucidate the Rock-Posh 1 meal test in details and related the some questions are describe the 6-minute walk test aerobic endurance and elucidate the Harvard test step test and some meaning and related to definitions. The briefly explain about the muscular strength, briefly about the cardiovascular fitness test and what is the cardiovascular test. So some questions are come in your exam, the board paper and unit test and prelim. So do it in your copy. So thank you very much. and God bless you.